Is this one closer to what you like? So I made this Deco DNA personality quiz. A lot of people taken it and they thought it was really great, but I'm still trying to figure out. Some of it, like this 17, it's not quite right because what I chose was rustic, and rustic is not exactly type 17, so this is the problem. Some people are saying that's not my vibe, and that's true because it's not really a type 17. So let me show you some things that are. Tonal color, cohesive style, and maximal. Here's another example. I really did try to find something that was not this color palette, but this is kind of a boho style. It's a little bit hard for me to find rooms that fit type 17 because they sometimes tend to cross into the bold territory. Like for instance, this lady, that's tonal, but the rest of her house is bold. It's beautiful, but then it becomes a type 26 and not a type 17. Whereas I'd say this is strictly a type 26. But I've tagged these creators in the caption, so if you like them, go follow them for more inspiration. And let me know if this is closer to what you like.